All right, another update on the Javron Super Cub build. Trying to get this plane knocked out between running air tech and selling paint and fabric. It's kind of been off and on here the last month, but I've had a little bit of time to get on things. Got the fuselage pulled back out, catching my mind back up on where I was at with wiring. Ended up going with the Garmin G3X. Kind of new system to me. Well, we actually did a certified one in a Satabria here not long ago, and that seems to be what most people are used to now. So if I ever sell the plane, that'll be a plus point to it. Had everything done at Stein Air. They did a great job. Got all the information here on how they have it wired, and kind of crossing that over to my standard type blueprints for wiring for Super Cub, seeing how I want to lay things out. About got everything set. Should have this knocked out in a couple days. As for weight savings, weighed every part of this system, including the wiring harness, and that surprises a lot of people. Wiring harness weighed almost 4 pounds, but this complete system, engine monitoring, everything through the one screen, ended up being around 20 pounds, 20 and a half pounds. I have weighed going with a small Electronic International, having a slide-in radio, a slide-in transponder, having a small screen for navigation, the wiring and everything, and it's not maybe 4 pounds penalty. I mean, it's not as much as you think over. As far as the dash, I laid this up and vacuum formed it, carbon fiber. I ended up actually not losing any weight on this because such a large cutout here to get this to the point that I thought it was stable enough to hold all this ended up being about the same weight of the Javron dash. But to hold in the whole theme of things with carbon fiber all over this airplane, I went on ahead and did it in carbon fiber. I'm actually to the point that I primed the boot cowl last night. I think it's cured out enough that it's rainy and cold, and that's usually the best time to put air tech paint on, because weather doesn't affect it, humidity doesn't affect it. It actually does the best because you have low trash situations. So I think I'm gonna stop what I'm doing and go paint that so it can be curing for a day or two. When I get this wound up, I'll be ready to start going together with it.